Let us now learn the difference between charge against profit and appropriation of profit. Let us see what it is. So, charge means it's an expense which you need to deduct it from your revenue to find out your profit and loss. Whereas appropriation means it's division of profit among the partners as per the partnership deed. So this is the basic difference between charge and appropriation. Now, if you ask me some examples of charge and appropriation, some examples are these: rent paid to a partner, interest on loan by a partner to the firm. It's very important item. Whereas appropriation examples are partner's salary, commission, interest on capital, etc. So these are some examples of charge and appropriation. Now, these appropriation, what I told you, partner's salary, partner's commission, interest on capital, these can be also a charge if it is mentioned in the partnership deed. If it is mentioned in the partnership deed that interest on capital will be a charge, then you need to treat it as charge. Okay, now the point is why I am explaining you this difference, charge and appropriation. Sometime in the question, they give the profit before these charges. Please always remember, when you take net profit on the credit side of your appropriation account, that net profit should be after all the charges but before all the appropriation. I will show you what I'm talking about. This is the format of appropriation account, you know that. Now, the net profit what you take in the credit side of your appropriation account should be after all the charges but before all the appropriations. So these are the examples of charges. Once again, it is there. Examples of charges are interest on partner's loan, rent to a partner, manager's commission, etc. So if the profit given to you in the question is before these charges, then you need to deduct it, and then the remaining profit only you have to take it in the credit side of your appropriation account. Okay. Now, sometimes the profit may be given after appropriation, after these appropriations. Then what you have to do is add back these appropriations and then take the profit on the credit side. So this is why I was explaining the difference between charge and appropriation. When you get the question, read it properly. If it is after any appropriation, add back the appropriation and then take. And the most important case is this: if the profit is before any charges, and this is what they ask in the board examination. If the profit is before any charges, deduct that profit, and then the remaining amount only you have to take it in the profit and loss appropriation credit side.